What's up everyone? Pretty excited today. I finally decided on what drone I'm going to get. So just got out of the shower, about to get in the car and run to Nebraska Furniture Mart and pick it up. So I'll show you guys in a second. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm back from Nebraska Furniture Mart. Went on a quick trip. Grabbed the DJI Mavic Air 2 or Mavic Air 2, don't really know, but can't wait to get this thing open. Let's get it unboxed. Thanks for watching. Got the table cleared of the cat and finally got one. If you tuned into my channel for a while, you know I've been talking about getting a drone in a few videos and finally pulled the trigger on one. And if you're new to the channel, I am Tailored KC, where I talk about tech and other tech news and other finance and stuff. If you like what you see today, make sure you hit that plus sign or thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well. But let's go ahead and get this thing open here. There we go. DJI. I got a little rough in the car there. Nothing there. A little bit on the bottom, just some warnings. Let's go ahead and get it open. Guess I could have just ripped this off. Get this box open. So much stuff here. Nothing really in the box itself. But there we go. There is the Mavic Air 2. Got its propellers folded in. Please charge to activate the battery. What else do we have in the box? Flight controller. Pretty excited about that. There are the joysticks that you can plug in there. USB-C charging. Lots of stuff. We have our quick start guide, and looks like disclaimer and safety features. Nothing else in the other box there. Propellers. Looks like two sets of those, or an A and a B set. Power brick. Looks like some sort of charging cradle. I'll have to definitely check out and see. There, it's a cable. USB-C to USB-C, and a USB-C to mini. Have another USB-C to USB type A, and looks like the power cable there. That is all that's in that box. So once again, here is the Mavic Air 2 drone. Make sure you're subscribed and you're following along to see a review. Hopefully I'll have that up soon. But once again, thank you very much for watching the channel. Have a good one.